What do you open? Oh, I forgot to test him. Oh. Ah, shucks! I'm gonna hit this. Hey! It doesn't pass. See? Wait, I got it. At least we got this thing out and the instruction. And Godzilla. Stop! Oh shoot. There. Ah!
You're too near to the camera.
There is the Godzilla. Looks pretty familiar. The distance. See? I forgot that the tail is here. Let's wait for a few minutes.
You need to soak it in hot water. Oh, is that one really?
So guys, I'm gonna continue this. Just bye. I'm just gonna pause it. And I'm gonna use this for stop motion. And it even contains our atomic. See? Wait. Oh shuck! Oh shoot! I almost did that. And oh shoot! There and here. Oh shucks. Oh shucks. Put it right there and open this. Yes. And then include your
Performing in the bathroom.
yeah. Yeah, definitely. Here. This well. And oh shoot. It even does the Godzilla running animation. Okay, and so there and there and here. There. Hi. And there it goes. That's all. Anyway, I'm gonna try this on my chin, even though she's thick. This thing. This one. This one is broke. Let's try. Like this. Oh shoot. And then pink. There. See? Here's Godzilla. Yes. Pink. Top. Only this guy can use it. Not the Spike and his brother. he could perform so well. At least it doesn't move its head because. So, back to Earth. About Godzilla. Oh, shit, my feet. Ah, shucks! There he is. He's running. Unlike I don't have Kong yet. So, wait. Got the blue Godzilla. I meant Godzilla. Yeah. Oh, there you are, swimming. Don't. If one Godzilla's with you, don't crash. Whew, we did crash. Ow, shock. Oh, he's trying to do the same thing. That's... Welcome to my world. By the way, my cousin's gonna come tomorrow. Thank you for watching. And anyway, have you ever noticed I'm gonna make a stop motion piece soon? Oh, forgot. I forgot the title. Oh my gosh, I'm so It's called Godzilla versus Evolved Godzilla. Kinda hard, right? By the way, thank you for watching. My name